Hello and welcome to this video tutorial hosted by Adam Wignall of Strawberry7. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send files and photos from one Apple device to another using AirDrop. Before you begin, make sure that the person you're sending to is nearby. Check that you and the person you're sending to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. If either of you have personal hotspot turned on, turn it off. Check if the person you're sending to has their AirDrop set to receive from contacts only. If they do, and you're in their contacts, they'll need to have your email address or mobile number in your contact card for AirDrop to work. If you're not in their contacts, have them set their AirDrop receiving setting to everyone. In iOS, you can do this by scrolling down in the top right to open the control center. Here you can see the Wi-Fi option. If you tap this, you will toggle Wi-Fi on or off, but if you press and hold, you'll get some more options. Here you can see my AirDrop is set to contacts only, so I'll tap this and change this to everyone. To send a photo, open the Photos app and find the photo you want to share. I'm going to tap on Select, then select the photo. Then I'm going to select the Share button, which is this button right here. Whenever you see the Share button, you should be able to share using AirDrop. This might be a photo, or a web page in Safari, or one of your contacts. Here you should see a list of nearby devices you can send to. I can already see my iMac and MacBook Pro, but if I unlock my iPhone, you'll notice that appears too. I'm going to send this to Jay, so I'll tap on his name. On his iPad, he will get a message saying that I want to share a photo with him, and he will have to tap on Accept to receive it. If you AirDrop content to yourself, such as sharing a photo from your iPhone to your iMac, you won't see the option to accept or decline. The content is automatically sent to that device. Just make sure that both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.